I have Hitachi's 2¼ horsepower, variable speed, fixed base and plunge base router, model KM12VC. This kit includes a powerful 11 amp router motor, which can be interchanged between a fixed base and a plunge base. Simply undo the 2-stage locking lever, twist the motor assembly out of the fixed base or the plunge base, insert into either lock with the lever back into place, and you're ready to go. A couple of features that I really like about this plunge base are the nickel-plated plunge rails. These are going to allow for smooth depth adjustment. They're going to prevent rust from building up and create smooth working unit for many years to come. It also comes with a fine-tuning depth adjustment. By simply pressing the lock lever, you can turn this dial to get precise depths. For faster depthing, you can simply press the lock, move the plunge base down to whatever depth you need, lock it in place. Once you've found the proper depth, you can use this set screw to lock this little bar to the depth that you want against the stops, which also have 3 different positions with micro adjusting so that you can dial in exactly the depth you want. Once you've got that depth, simply lock the plunge bar in place, raise the router, and you can get back to that every time, making the same depth of cut. This will provide really great and quick, easy setup. Some other important features of this router kit include the soft start function. When you start the motor, it ramps up to RPM slowly so that it doesn't jolt the router out of your hand. This gives you a lot greater control. It also features a speed control dial here located directly next to the on-off switch. This can be adjusted to control the speed of the router from 8,000 to 24,000 RPM. And best of all, it comes with a 5-year warranty. This is going to last a long time, and I could recommend this tool to anybody.